Rightio, morning everyone. We're back in the workshop again today. We've got some technical stuff to do. Steve's doing technical drawing because I'll show you what he's going to do. I'm working on that. Steve's going to make some bits for these expansion chambers. He's got a box of biscuits, he's got his tea, he's got his cardboard, his Kellogg's cornflakes and other packets are available.
Cardboard aided
design. And he's going to see if we can make one of those or something like that.
Yes.
So what I'll do is I'll put in there and probably he might tell me what he's doing.
No, he won't.
Oh yes he will.
Right. We're doing roughabouts measurements today. Roughabouts.
9 3/4 that one,
Yeah.
Steve.
So I need to make this piece here. Now Mr. Yamaha made it out of several pieces. I'm going to give it a go and see if I can make it out of less pieces, but we'll see. Mr. Yamaha may be right. So we'll see how it pans out, shall we?
Well, Matt looked at him and thought it might be a bit difficult.
Did he?
Yeah.
And he's an expert.
Well, he's something.
Do you know what?
What?
I could get a, what do you call it after that, rather than using a pair of skizzers. Right, like that. There are probably those in this world will say, "Oi,
You don't do it like that.
why didn't you use some mathematical genius to,
You know why? Because we don't know any.
I do,
Yeah.
but it means remembering what the formulas are, and right at this moment I can't be bothered."
That seems reasonable, Steve.
Eh?
That seems reasonable.
Right. Let's see how this is going to work. Or not, as the case may be. Right. That's given me a starting point. Let's have some tea.
Oh God, I forgot about that.
Right, that's given me a length. What I need to do now is think about, that's that bit.
These are from your university days as teaching, isn't it?
Something like that. Right, that's giving me that. Oop, stop it. Don't know who Noel Joy is, but we'll bother him. That's not big enough either.
Bloody hell.
Bird crap and anything else. Because, oh yes, David,
Is that it?
that's perfect, mate. So if I was to draw around there like that, something similar to that, that would be superb, mate.
Is that what is that the job?
Yeah, look at that lot. Perfect.
Wow.
Right.
Steve's making fire. Fire. Ooh. I don't know whether you'll be able to see this, Steve making bronzy stuff, but okay.
Yep.
Brilliant.
I need to turn around.